Hi there. In this quick video I'm going to show you how to activate the auxiliary audio input in an Audi A4 B8 from 2010. Cannot really talk today. Okay, so let's get to it. You might be wanting to add the auxiliary port in your armrest, or you want to add Bluetooth capability to a device that you will plug in the back of this thing. It should work for, I think, calls and whatever, or other things. I have Audi multimedia in my situation. Anyway, there's that. So to do this, you need to have the green service menu active. I will link a video in the description of this video that shows you how to activate that, because that's a completely different beast. And after that is active, you simply push both car and setup for the same time, at the same time for a few seconds. And we should be getting into the green menu when you release them. If you don't release them, you are not getting into the menu. And now we scroll down to diagnose. We use this button, and for OK, press on the middle of it. Then settings. And then in here, Audi multimedia interface auxiliary. I have no idea how to pronounce that. It's not working. Then you press OK once again, and then from this we remember what you had before, in case you messed something up, so you put it back exactly as it was. But as you can see, for me AUX is already activated, but in your case probably it will be something like this, nothing active, unless you already have an audio input in here somewhere, but I do not have anything and I do not desire to add that, so that's that. In which case you need to do this to remove the NO, the no, in front of auxiliary, but keep the other two exactly as they were before. So for me, not having the other two, those need to be with no in front, and there's that, and now auxiliary is active. So yeah, for me it was already active because I had from the factory the armrest input connector, but I played around with this thing because I want to add a Bluetooth adapter, so this is why I ended up here and decided that maybe it will help somebody to show you how to activate the auxiliary port. So yeah, there's that. And now to get out of this thing, car and return. And now you need to reset the whole thing by pressing setup, the OK and this at the same time, which is going to be a pain, but bear with me. And it's resetting, and after it has done, all should be good. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos and subscribe. Bye.